believe that together we can and we will make a difference. And thank you for this honor and the opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gupta sir, for your inspiring words and for making the commencement of this FDP with your insightful address. As we come to the conclusion of this inaugural session, I would like to invite co-coordinator of this ATAL FDP program, Dr. Abhay Khadadkar, in charge of the Center of Excellence for Additive Manufacturing, to deliver the vote of thanks. Sir, please.
Thank you. Yeah. So, chief guest of today's inaugural function, respected Dr. Kapil Gupta, Professor, University of Johannesburg, South Africa, Principal Convener of this ATAL Training and Learning FDP program, Director of our institute, Dr. Sachin Untawale, Coordinator of this ATAL FDP and Deputy Director and Dean R&D of GHRCE, Dr. Santosh Jaju, sir, various resource persons across the globe and from the India of this ATAL FDP, Dr. P.V. Walke, Deputy Director, GHRCE, Dr. R.S. Shelke, Head of the Mechanical Engineering Department, all deans and head of institutes, and dear all registered faculty members from various institutes, universities across India. It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks for the inaugural function of this AICTE's 6 days online sponsored FDP on 3D printing for industrial and biomedical healthcare applications with hands-on on Mimic software, starting from today till 7th of December of this, organized by Center of Excellence Additive Manufacturing, Department of Mechanical Engineering. At the outset, it has been our pleasure to host this 6 days online ATAL FDP and have been fortunate to various eminent resource persons from academia, industry for the various sessions in this coming 6 days. First of all, I take this opportunity to thanks AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, for sanctioning of this ATAL FDP grant to conduct this online ATAL FDP program for exploring and enhancing the deeper knowledge transfers of 3D printing technology concerned with biomedical and healthcare applications for the knowledge transfers for across 200 plus faculties as a participants of this FDP. I wish to record our deep sincere gratitude to Dr. Kapil Gupta sir for accepting our invitation as a chief guest and a keynote session just after this function for gracing the inaugural one. I am very much thankful to all the resource persons, Dr. Ivan A. Parino, Professor, Southern Federal University, Russia, Dr. Mohammad Tawfiq, Maulana Azhar, National Institute of Technology, Bhopal, Dr. Prashant Kumar Jain, Professor, PDPM, Indian Institute of Information Technology and Design of Manufacturing, Jabalpur, Dr. Narendra Kumar, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar, Dr. Harish Rati, Senior Dental Surgeon, Advanced Dental Hospital, Nagpur, Dr. Varun Khandelwal, Dental Surgeon, Nagpur, Dr. Sandeep Dahake, Founder of Precisors Private Limited, Nagpur, Dr. Ashutosh Bagde, Scientist at DMIHER, Saungi, Wardha, Dr. Mr. Piyush Uke, New OSA Medicwip Private Limited, Nagpur, for accepting our invitation to be a part of this FDP as a resource person for their knowledge sharing in their various sessions domains based on the 3D printing research areas. I take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Chairman, Shri Sunil Raisoni sir, for providing all kind support and encouragement for organizing this FDP. I wish to express my sincere gratitude to our Institute Director, respected Dr. Sachin Untawale sir, for his inspiring mentorship, without which it would not have been possible for us to make this venture. I would express my sincere thanks to our Deputy Director, Dr. P.V. Walke sir, Dr. Santosh Jaju, Coordinator of this FDP, all Dean R&Ds and Head of the Department, Dr. R.S. Shelke sir, for providing a valuable support and guidance to conduct this FDP. I would like to express my
So you are unmuted. Please unmute yourself.
Hello, am I audible?
Please continue. Please continue.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. So I will be failing in my duties if I do not appreciate the efforts and the pain taken by all the committee members, Dr. Vinod Bhaiswar, Dr. Anand Babu Kota, Professor Rahul Jikkate, Professor Amul Chaudhary, especially Dr. Nilesh Nirvan for his efforts at various levels, right from designing, editing, and social media handling and coordination with every registered participant since last month. Last but not the least, on behalf of GHRCE College of Engineering, I would like to thank everyone whose contribution has made the conduction of this ATAL faculty development program a success one. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you, Khadkar sir, for your heartful gratitude and for acknowledging everyone who made this program possible. Now, let's stand for national anthem.
तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
All the participants, this concludes the inaugural session of the AICTE ATAL FDP. We sincerely thanks all the dignitaries, participants, and organizers for their presence and contribution. We look forward to an enriching journey over the course of this program. Have a great evening ahead.